Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at the Move Group Python interface. This comes in really handy because it is very easy to use, and the demo functionality which is given is really cool, in which you can do block of robotic code executions just by pressing the enter. Okay, so let's see the implementation of it. So first, what we need to go, we need to go to the page of Move Groove Python interface. So I'll be putting up the link. Okay. Next thing you need to do is open up your terminal, and as usual we run the ROS code. So let's wait for it to come, and let's run the ROS code. Okay. Now hold on till ROS code is executed, and don't be in a hurry to fire the next command. Okay, then we'll execute the launch file for the Panda robot. So let's copy it, and in a new terminal let's paste it. So this will, if you remember, this will open up the Panda robot with the Arvis backend. Okay. So as this is loading, the next command is that there is a Python file for the tutorial, which you can see here, Move Group Python interface tutorial. So this is already given and programmed. So what we need to do is run this Python code with ROS run and the package name. So let's open up a new terminal, and before that make sure that your rear Arvis is up and you can see the Panda robot. And I'll just pull in the terminal so that it's easier for you to visualize. So I'll just drag it. Okay, and now I'll run this command. So wait for it to run. Okay, now it is ready because it is telling you press enter to begin the tutorials with move it commander. So it's the commander again. So I put enter again, and it asks, it gives you the frame details and all the joint state details for you to see, and it asks you to press enter again to execute the movement using a joint state goal. So we execute it, and you see that there was a movement on the Panda robot. Okay, now we can execute a movement using a pose goal. So let's do that, and yes, that is working as well. Now let's run and display the Cartesian plan. So that is running as well, and for the trajectory again we run it. So the trajectory part is also running. Now we'll also run the save path. Okay, now we can add a colorful box to the robot with the next thing. As you can see, a green box has been attached, and if you press enter again, it becomes purple. Okay, and this acts as a this is a box which has been attached to the robot, and if you press enter again, you will see a path with an attached collision object. Okay, now pressing enter again will detach the box. Okay, and that completes the interface and the Python tutorial for this particular wrapper class of Python. So hope this was helpful, and you can go and try it out because everything is inbuilt. All you have to do is execute the commands in the order I showed you, and it will work perfectly fine. This was helpful, I hope, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.